Professional-grade billiard chalk delivers a smooth and even coating that will not cake or flake. Apply the chalk to the tip of the cue stick to increase the friction between the cue tip and the struck ball, which minimizes a non-center hit miscue. Available in a variety of colors, allowing you to match the chalk to the felt of your billiard table, which diminishes chalk marks. Includes 12 chalk cubes packaged in protective box for convenient storage. Proudly made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. The magic of an art form. Ever since I was a young boy, I've dabbled in the art of billiards. I refer to it as art for the reason that, when you study the pros, you are able to notice their form and style. All truly distinct and individual. Listening to the crack of the break or the gentle thud of a ball dropping into a pocket was like magic when I was younger. Only as I matured was I able to grasp that this wasn't magic. This was the result of a life of dedication and practice. Skills being honed through decades of laborious and oftentimes tedious toil. All my life, I have been an average player in the art of billiards, but alas, no more. With this seemingly trivial purchase, I have become a champion. A true force to be reckoned with. I am now an undefeated master, in my house, on my table, against kids 1/3 my age, and if I give them the bad stick.